All right, DPS, we're going to just review how to use our Chromebooks and get logged in and things and talk about the opening pages again. Carry your Chromebook carefully, be responsible when you get it to your space, which should have no water bottles, no food. Open it up and it should power right on. If it doesn't, give it about 5 seconds, then you can hit the power button, but for the most part, your Chromebook should power right on. The other issue sometimes we have is that your mouse doesn't always work. Remember, you close it and try again for that, but it should power right on. Now, your opening screen, two things happen. Sometimes you get this white box, sometimes you get a name. If it's a name, down at the bottom it will say add person. Doesn't for me because I don't have the name. But if you don't have a name, then you're going to add person. But if you have this, you're going to go to next so you can use your clever code. Hold up your clever badge, carefully bring it forward, it'll check you in. And I want to talk about the 3 tabs that they give you when you open up your Chromebook. And you can see they're coming. 1, 2, 3. Be patient. Always be patient with your computer. All right. The first page that opens up is called our Clever page. On your Clever page are websites that log you automatically in. Oh, they put Reflex Math in now. We asked for that. That's an awesome math program that's really going to help you learn your math facts. So these are websites that we go to often and that we usually have to log in, but because we use our Clever, we're automatically logged in. That's your Clever page, tab 1. Tab 2 is East Greenbush. So if you wanted to go to our library website or your teacher website, you go to our school, library, or if it's a teacher, you go there and you can get to anywhere in East Greenbush. Your third tab is your Google tab. In your Google tab, you're at that blank Google page where you have your avatar and your waffle. So if your teacher wants to go to classroom to make a document or a slideshow, everything you have is in this third tab on your Google page. Okay? So 3 tabs again: Clever, East Greenbush, and Google. Remember, we go in the middle to open the tab, or to close the tab, you hit the X. The only reason you would have to close the tab if it was really noisy. So taking a look at our Clevers, these are the apps or links that take us to different websites and log us in. Pebble Go, you're automatically logged in. I want to show you something super cool that Pebble Go is doing this year. They have a new look. We have the same 4 categories: animals, science, biography. For every category, they have a question of the day down at the bottom. Kids all over the world are looking at this and voting. What's your favorite animal? Oof, this is a tough one. I'm going to go with frogs. I vote, and you can see what kids are thinking all over the world. And by the end of the day, the answer would be different. I'm glad I voted for frogs. Not too many frog people left yet. So that's in every category, which I just think is so cool. Let's see what the science question is today. Question of the day: what's your favorite cloud? Wish they showed me pictures. This will help you learn about clouds. You could go back and say, let's learn about clouds so you could find out. I know cumulus are those huge puffy ones, so I'm voting for that. But you know what? If I said, I don't know what that means, I'm going to do that again. Suppose you didn't know what the question of the day meant. Like, let's see what a picture of, we could search it and see what the different clouds are. Types of clouds. There you go. So Pebble Go has that super cool thing. Now, again, I look at my tab. Did you see the Pebble Go tab open? I'm going to close it. I'm back to my Clever. If you're going to typing club, if your teacher wants you to practice your typing, you'll be automatically logged in. Whenever you get this message, always sign in with Google. Our Clever is a Gmail address. So you'll get started on your typing club. And Brain Pop is another new thing our district has gotten for us. Aren't they awesome? So you can go to Brain Pop. Usually we would have to log in, but not this year because our Clever goes there automatically. Teachers, we can give work and have students do assignments in their dashboards. So that's something new for us to kind of experiment with. So Here's a dashboard. It can give assignments and projects. So that is Brain Pop. Always go back to your cloud, to your home page there. And those are all things that we can access on our Clever page. Reflex Math, your teachers will be talking to you about because you'll have account with that. And I think we are all set. If you're done, sign out at the bottom.